Hello everyone, it's Pamela here. Welcome to the second and final part of the Winter Wonderland YouTube hop. Thank you so much to Kim and Debbie for inviting me to take part in this, along with the other amazing ladies in the lineup. I've had so much fun creating the different projects for the 2 different weeks and getting inspiration from the other ladies. If you haven't already, please check out all the other channels and all the other videos in the hop. All the channels are listed below in the description. And there'll also be some great giveaways being hosted. Or giveaways from the hosts of the other channels even. So all you need to do to take part in the giveaway is like each video, leave a comment and ensure that you're subscribed to all the channels. Also make sure that your subscriptions are open just so we can check. Winners can be selected from any of the videos from the hop, and just make sure that you just check out all the rules that are in the description as well. The closing date, to make sure that you've watched all the videos and liked and so on, is the 14th of January, and then winners will be chosen on the 16th. I'm giving away a £20 Amazon gift card, equates to 20 odd US dollars. I checked last week, I think at that point it was around 27 US dollars. So yeah, just ensure that you are watching all the videos to have a chance of winning. So I hope you like what I'm going to show you today. It isn't actually this. This is the base of how my project started. So I've got another mixed media project for you this week. It is a wooden jewelry box. I just wanted to show you like how you can alter starting from this, and then my project that I made from one of those boxes is this winter garden theme. I think it looks really nice and wintry. I've kept it like I've used gesso on the box, stenciled this gorgeous pattern on in random places. I've made resin pieces that I've stuck to the front with this like kind of mystical lady of the garden. I've added like resin roses and resin leaves up here. I've then like hand painted everything and added some prima flowers, and then I've done finishing touches. I've used gesso all over it then to give it a really nice whitewash wintry feel. I've also added, I know it's winter, but I thought it was just really nice to have the butterfly on there as well. I then added like some of these art pebble diamonds and some pearls, and I'm not sure how well it shows up on camera, but I've added like crushed ice paste to all of the flowers as well, just to give it some extra sparkle, but also just add that wintry, icy and frosty look. So I hope you like my project and what I've made. If you'd like to make one yourself, I've done another tutorial of the process. I'll be uploading that later today, but that gives you the complete walkthrough from the transformation from this box into this. Be really great if you wanted to give it a try yourself. These make really nice gifts for people. They make nice home decor pieces, but yeah, they do really make nice gifts. I mean, anytime anybody sees any of my mixed media projects, they're always saying that they'd like one too. So it would be really nice if you check the video out and try one for yourself. But yeah, I hope you like it. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. I think it looks wintry, but it's still really nice and cute, nice and frosty, kind of subdued, like how winter garden would be. So yeah, I'm happy with that, and I hope you guys like it too. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment. Definitely like and leave a comment if you're taking part in the giveaway. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more papercraft and mixed media walkthroughs, project shares, tutorials. And yeah, it just, once again, it really has been fun taking part in the hop and meeting all of you guys, working amongst these wonderful ladies in the project, in the hop. So yeah, just thank you so much for having me. And until next time, I'm getting tongue-tied again, but until next time, guys, take care. Bye-bye.